I'm going to show you how to record your screen on a Samsung phone. There are two ways to record your screen on a Samsung phone, using the built-in screen recorder or using a third-party app. I am going to focus today's video on using the built-in screen recorder from Samsung. In the last part of the video, I will tell you some of the best apps to record screens on Samsung phones. How to record screen on Samsung, using the built-in screen recorder. Before I start, I want to say I have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and I am currently having Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Even if you have a different Samsung phone and a different Android version, this option should be almost the same on your phone. To use the built-in screen recorder, follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again to show the full Quick Settings panel. Find the screen recorder icon. It should be grayed out if you do not record anything on your phone. If you don't see the screen recorder icon, swipe from right to left until you reach the end of the pages from the Quick Settings. Tap on the plus icon. Find in the list the screen recorder and then drag the screen recorder icon to the Quick Settings panel. Now let's get back to the recording of the screen. Tap on the screen recorder icon. Choose whether you want to record audio or media from the phone and show touches on the screen. Tap on Start Recording. A 3-second countdown will start before the recording begins. To stop recording, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the Stop Recording notification. Your screen recording will be saved to the Gallery app. Also, an important thing to do if you are recording a video game, you may want to enable game mode on your Samsung device. Game mode will improve the performance of your device and optimize the screen recording experience. This is how you use the built-in app from Samsung to record your phone screen. But what is the best app to record on a Samsung phone? There are a number of third-party apps that you can use to record your screen on a Samsung phone. Some of the most popular apps include AZ Screen Recorder, Mobizen Screen Recorder, Do Screen Recorder. Tips for screen recording on a Samsung phone. Here are some tips for screen recording on a Samsung phone. If you're recording audio, make sure to speak clearly and loudly. If you're recording video, make sure to position your phone in a way that the video is clear and well lit. If you're recording a long video, you can trim it down to just the parts you need after you're done recording. You can also use a video editing app to add music, text, and other effects to your screen recordings. What are the best apps to edit your screen recordings? If you want to edit your screen recordings, you can use a video editing app. Some popular video editing apps include KineMaster. KineMaster is a powerful video editor that is well suited for editing screen recordings. It has a wide range of features, including a timeline editor, transitions, effects, and voiceovers. KineMaster also supports multiple video layers and audio tracks. InShot. InShot is a popular video editor that is known for its ease of use. It has a variety of features, including trimming, cropping, adding text and stickers, and merging videos. InShot also supports speed control and music addition. PowerDirector. PowerDirector is another powerful video editor that is well suited for editing screen recordings. It has a wide range of features, including a timeline editor, transitions, effects, and voiceovers. PowerDirector also supports slow motion and fast motion effects. Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is a mobile video editor from Adobe. It has a variety of features, including trimming, cropping, adding text and titles, and adjusting colors and brightness. Premiere Rush also supports multi-track editing and music addition. VideoShow. VideoShow is a popular video editor that is known for its wide range of features. It includes trimming, cropping, adding text and stickers, merging videos, and adding music. VideoShow also supports speed control and slow motion effects. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and tips.